stepping out the first set where Ames managed to scratch out a 26-24 first set win. Hirap na hirap, although I would say they were in control of that first set.
Yeah, they were having fun and the hits that they were doing were placement, yung mga hulog, tinatimingan nila yung mga blockers kung kailan pababa, doon nila pinapasok yung bola. You've got good floor coverage from them. Parang mas energized sila today. Slow start from Generica. Nung nalaman nila na, hey, magto-25 points na, doon lang sila gumana, kaya tayo umabot ng 26-24.
Very good point. Amy Spikers took the first, but the second went Generica's way. It didn't last very long for Amy's Chicky.
Yeah. Ang nangyari naman dito sa second set, Generica picked up their bloom, but I still think na hindi pa rin ito yung normal playing tempo ng Generica. Mas mabilis sila din this. Kailang nasasabay sila sa tempo ng Amy's. That's why, unti-unti naman, nagkakaroon sila ng buhay with the Cortez hits and good combination plays there. As you can see, yung attacks mas malaki na ngayon because mas gumagalaw na yung first ball nila. Nagkakaroon na sila ng more aggressiveness sa net. Kaya meron siyang 2 blocks as opposed to none of Amy's. And unforced errors nila, 5 lang this time.
For a moment, it looked like Amy's was going to control it, Chicky, but nagising ang Generica.
Oo, kasi dun sa first technical timeout, Amy's pa ang nauna sa 8 eh. Tapos 4 lang ang Generica. But I think yung nagbitaw ng salita ang coach nila na gusto nyo bang maglaro? Kung ayaw nyo maglaro, doon na kayo. Meron akong ibang papalaroin. Biglang nag-perform. Nagkaroon ng communication inside. Meneses was doing a great job in the middle. You can see yung attacks. Ang laki-laki ng difference. 13 sa Generica at 5 lang para sa Amy's kasi wala silang first ball.
Match point. And that'll do it.
That's it.
The only set na nakuha ng Amy's was the first at 26-24. It seems that in the third, they seem to have perked up their game. Ano, sabi ko, baka match up. Pero hindi eh. Hindi rin at bumitaw sa 25-19 and eventually 25-14 dito sa fourth.